Regpack Booking Platform Review Usage Experience. In this video, we'll dive into the Regpack booking platform, sharing an in-depth review based on real usage experience. Links to Regpack and related resources are included in the description below for your convenience. Regpack is a robust registration and booking platform designed for organizations managing events, programs, memberships, and recurring services. It's particularly useful for businesses, non-profits, and educational institutions seeking to streamline the registration process while improving user experience. One of Regpack's standout features is its highly customizable registration forms. Whether you need a simple sign-up process or complex conditional logic for varied user types, Regpack handles it effortlessly. The platform also includes automated workflows like payment processing, installment plans, and email reminders, reducing administrative work and ensuring smooth customer interactions. Another key feature is its built-in reporting and analytics tools, offering detailed insights into user behavior, payment statuses, and attendance trends. This data empowers organizations to make data-driven decisions to optimize their programs. For businesses with recurring services, Regpack's recurring payment system is a game-changer, providing flexibility to clients while improving cash flow management. Regpack integrates seamlessly with other tools, including CRMs and email marketing software, making it a scalable solution for organizations of any size. The user-friendly dashboard allows for real-time updates, giving administrators full control without requiring extensive technical expertise. The platform is designed for scalability, which means whether you're hosting a small workshop or managing hundreds of registrations for a large conference, Regpack adapts to your needs. It also prioritizes security, offering GDPR compliance and secure payment processing, ensuring user trust. While no platform is perfect, Regpack's primary strengths lie in its flexibility, automation capabilities, and comprehensive support. That said, its advanced features might require a learning curve for beginners, but the payoff is worth it for those willing to invest the time. If you're looking for a dependable solution to streamline registrations and enhance the user experience, Regpack is a solid choice. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details and let us know your thoughts or questions.